Alam sa inyo, sinigang pa, alam ko.
This is live from...
Maybe I should live sa TikTok.
Kulang kasi pata.
Lechong kawali to, di ba ito?
Para may African...
Hello mga tao. If you're in Siargao, wala lang. You're in
So,
Siargao.
yung kulang kasi pata, yung parang ano nila dito. Sarap pa kasi pata.
Actually, that's parang...
Hi guys. Andito kami ngayon sa... Where is this? Tourist Road. Ano ba yun? Tourist Road? Attack? I don't know. Watching ako Rainbow Rumble. Asan yung Rainbow Rumble? Is that from here?
What the fuck? Charis. Oh, well, ano ni IG?
Yeah, I'm with my ate Curl.
I feel like ma-TikTok tapos for the money.
Parang yung paarok ay ko to yung trip na to. Leche.
I'm here for the money.
Yeah. Hello,
Hello from
from
Melbourne.
Melbourne. Hello, my loves. Hello from the Philippines. Hello from Siargao, Philippines.
I'm gonna watch your shit.
Bakit pinapanood? Tsaka. Hala, delayed. Hello, my loves. Real po yan hair nyo. Mama, yes.
Wala, super sikip mo daw.
So first,
Tracks. Everything is real. Except for this filter. Maraming salamat. We're gonna go... Actually, we're kind of drunk. Because nauna pa talaga yung cocktails. Din ka now. I'm in Siargao, babes. Thank you. Island. We should read this. Hindi siya annoying. Sobrang nipi. True. Thank you. Kasama ko yung barkada ko and my best. Maraming salamat po. May day 2 ba yung kay Maxi na concert?
meron.
Real?
Wala, kapag ko gani wala ka to, kaya di ba?
Kaya hindi kami complete to begin with. And I don't know.
Di ba gina-invite ka to niya?
That was the original plan, but Arigay Kuya Siargao. Jensan. Where is Jensan? When ka mag-Davao, I'll be at Davao April. I think Davao is the last stop sa tour namin.
Hindi ka mo ba bakalod?
I don't know, I'm gagged na wala. But
I mean,
think
kung wala man budget,
it's the
pero
budget.
na bakalod.
Yeah,
Nobody wants to spend money.
exactly. Punta ka naman Jensan. Where is Jensan?
Davao.
Davao.
Ay, Davao, in Mindanao.
Slay. This is my first time sa Mindanao, honestly. Right?
Oh, like this Mindanao. Wala, I'm a tourist.
I feel like Magellan, conquering the seas. Keme.
Gago sa mas Visayas sa bumunti.
Gago nag-tour si Magellan, I think.
She's a tourist.
Tourist. Just
She's an
killing
island
people.
girl.
She's an island girl, tapos pinatay ni Sir.
Island girl.
Exactly.
She conquered and she slayed.
She is, she mother, Cherry. Slayed it, kagasay at la 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 la. Maraming salamat po. If you're a hot guy and in Siargao, what are you doing? Bakit wala ka dito sa ano? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. FB10, wow. I'm just, freeloading sa internet, okay? Kasi malulubat ang game. Nasaan kayo sa Mindanao? I'm in
So
Siargao.
kung lang din kayo
Go.
ngayon lang din kayo dumating.
Beauty pa
Hindi.
Go.
Ay, sabi niyo, kasabay ka sa van.
Agang lasing neto.
Ah,
Tama.
kayo.
Mali. Very mali.
Sila yung may-ari ng plane. Gusto mo ba? Yakit ka.
Kaya kilala na lahat ng pumapasok.
Oo.
Okay.
Dapat tama yung pag-upo mo sa plane. Yun.
Saan kayo nag-stay dito?
Sila dito na kami nakastay. Dito kami nakatira.
Oh my God.
Kami 7 months, tapos sila.
Work. Ano ba yung work niyo?
Mga earned local.
What?
Sa umaga lang. Sa gabi.
Oo, pag sa gabi hindi na. So, we do not judge.
Ay, it's okay.
Una pa lang.
Parang ang saya. Clinic went.
Yes.
Clinic went, Ray.
Coffee, huwag ang ba?
This was supposed to be a business trip, but here we are doing our own business trip. Charot lang.
Doing our own business.
Minding our own business. Kasi that's what you can't do. Charit lang. That's what y'all can't do. Charit lang. Matulog ka na, go. Matulog at 7:30. Mama, what are you, 5?
Hindi. Ano siya? Friend.
Ano?
Hindi.
Tinanong if PD friend.
PD friend.
Hindi siya PD friend. Hindi siya PD. Anong friend ka nga?
Ano? Saling pusa. Saling cat. Hindi, friend ko siya. Tapos parang sila magka-classmates kasi.
Yeah.
So parang
ano na lang, mix and match na kami.
Tapos we just party doon sa Bacolod. And then things change with the Fire Nation attack. Yung atake, you know. Ganun yung, aray! Oh my gosh. Nakalimutan ko mag-film ng ng hair products. May trabaho pa rin ako even though I'm in Siargao. Maraming salamat po. Gaga nga Kelp. True. Gaga nga kuno dahil.
Alam ba kung sarap picture?
Voucher or papasara ito lang. Tradition.
Sino ba ito?
Bambuso.
I think mga yun ba ito?
Yun.
Last na si Ito. Oo, isang user na. Kasi apat ka.
Bakit ang tipid na mga
Eh, pero pwede naman na.
And if I perform this song, what are you gonna do about it?
Si Ote ko.
Trigger
Hindi kasi Ray, I want
sa pag-film. Kwento natin sa live.
I'm gonna go out in a bit sa live because I don't know. Hindi ako napag-online lately, so next Fun Meet When, it's gonna be an exhibit and meet and greet. So, onte lang siya because it's gonna be held sa bahay. So, I'll see you there. It's gonna be March 22, maybe. Girl, I know. Go. I'll see you guys March 22. But now, ina-arrange pa lang yung everything else.
Nagano to si Tom? Si Ray.
Botsiega Fantasy ko.
Atin?
San o kadi mabalik sa Bacolod? Probably May, because my family is going home from Chicago. And then we're probably gonna go Thailand or Vietnam. Pero I'm trying to persuade them mag-Thailand because anong ginagawa sa Vietnam? I don't know. Hanoi. Kasi parang ang daming shopping area sa Thailand. So, and maybe, you know, maybe we're gonna go to Lake Boracay. Maybe, ang daming plans, but possibilities pa lang muna because it's magma-March pa lang. There's a lot of things to alter the plans, you know. So, Bacolod, maybe May. And I'm gonna meet my, you know, fling first time. Charot.
Miss, pwede ka pang...
Punta ka Malolos, Bulacan. Wow, kala mo naman I feel like I've been to Bulacan. Yeah. I'm there. Nakapag-ukay na ako sa Bulacan, honestly. Why you look so pretty? It's the filter, babe. I'm not scared to deny that.
Fantasy lang siya.
Di ba? Edit ng video. So, catch me outside. How about that? Charot. Subscribe to YouTube, I guess. Ew, that's so cringy. Never in my life I would say that. But here we are. It feels so influencer. Alis na ako na because Lobat is now. Medyo nag-FB10. Yeah, because nakikiconnect lang ako sa internet ng restaurant. Go. Mama, di para malobat. Thrice a day.
Wala bang ocean sir? Pababa. Bakit ocean day na agad?
Maraming salamat, Cole.
Parang uso dito yun. May ocean 101
San
yan.
Gcash?
Ano dito?
Di ba? May homestay nga din na
Ay,
secret
ito siya. It is.
From sa Manila.
May secret homestay.
Parang homestay.
I feel like bukas we're gonna do stuff. I don't know. But right now, pahinga and party. Because it's a Sunday. I don't know if people go out on Sundays. It's the day of the Lord, you know? Maraming salamat po. Ang ganda ng bagong hair oil. If you've seen the stories, the Korean brand that sent me the hair stuff. Mama, my hair feels so good. Not gonna lie. And I'm not paid yet. And it's really good. Haba ng hair. Yeah. Pero kinat ko siya last time nung sa show because I was so bored. Sabi ko, ang tagal nila ni Maxi mag-perform and all. So I was like, let me cut my hair.
Kaya pa ba kayo?
It's down the back crack, if you're asking. Pagod. Yudi pansinin mo naman ako. Go. Kanume Hana. Go. Hello sa'yo. When show mo ulit around BGC lang please. So, wow, parang, I don't know. March is gonna be busy as hell. I'm gonna be at UP performing and judging. And then, honestly, I don't know my gigs yet. Kasi parang, I'm on vacation mode. Pero madami sa March. I feel like 7 shows. Exactly. Pagod. Wala pa akong outfit. Oh my God. Maraming salamat po. Hello. Pwede magpatasa ng pencil sa iyo sa April. I'm taking UpCat. Go lang. If you see me, or if you're in the show, bring the Kinemperlu. Vice Comedy Club on March 23, yes. And I think sold out now, so I don't think I have to promote it. The only thing I can promote is the exhibit and meet and greet on March 22. Kasi di pa siya na finalize and all. So, hello. Hope to see you soon sa Rampa. Rampa, I'm not sure yet. Maybe you can request a bitch, you know?
Thank you.
What if see you sa Slaycation Cebu? Period. Bring your friends. I low-key think meron akong Cebu on March 12. But I'm not so sure kasi di pa sila nag-reach out. I can't. I'm gonna go na kasi low bat na ako. Go. Bye. I'll see you.